Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk analytics on the Alpic platform. This is one of the core features to help you understand how your server is behaving, what users are doing with it, and how well it's designed, and also if there are any issues with it in production. So let's get started. I am here in the analytics tab of my project. And first of all, we're going to have sessions, the first metric, which is going to correspond to a new initialized request on the protocol. Here we break down the traffic in terms of the different MCP clients that are being used. You can see this over the period of time that you choose, and you can also see it over a longer period of time. Next, we're going to have the request list, which shows the types of requests that are being made to your server. We break this down into the different MCP methods that you're using, including tools, resources, prompts, and then other protocol methods. Again, you can see this over time, or you can filter in on the specific type of request that you want to see. Next, we're going to have MCP errors. MCP errors are originating actually in the MCP communication. They can be things like request timeouts, tools not found, or internal server errors. As they're not passed to the LLM, they generally just appear as an error message to the user, so there's something that's going to require your attention. Next, we have tool errors, which are actually occurring during tool execution. These types of errors are passed to the LLM and actually can be used as context and give retry strategies if they are well designed. We have a blog article on that subject if you would like to read it. Another important metric that we have is average output tokens, which is how many tokens you're actually feeding into the LLM context window for your different methods. This is a gauge of how well your server is designed, and if you're eating up context needlessly, that's going to affect the performance of the actual LLM behind it. And then last but not least, we have average request latency for each of the MCP methods you're using. Here it's broken down also over time to make sure that you have nothing, that you can make sure that nothing happens when you have a new release or push something into production. So this is analytics. Log into Alpic to see all of these on the platform and let us know which we should add next.